Today we will understand some basics about pH. Now in pH, first of all we are going to define pH. Then what's the relationship between pH and hydronium ion concentration, effect of increase in hydronium ion concentration, and then finally pH scale. Now let's first of all define pH. pH of a solution is the negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. You know, whenever we write down this in square brackets, it is obvious that it represents concentration, and this concentration is in moles per liter. Concentration in moles per liter, right? So pH is equal to minus log hydronium ion concentration, which is equal to log, it's the same thing, only 1 over hydronium ion. Now pH, in other words, we can say that pH is inversely proportional to hydronium ion concentration. Now if suppose there are two solutions, one is having hydronium ion concentration 10 raised to power minus 2 and another one is having 10 raised to power minus 3. Now if you find out pH for this, pH is minus log 10 raised to power minus 2 for this one, right? So it will be, you know, log 10 is, and powers, whenever we solve for powers, power comes in front and log 10 is 1. So it becomes 2 here. Similarly, when you will solve this will come out to be 3. So you can see that hydrogen ion concentration for 10 raised to means 10 raised to power 2 minus 2 is greater than 10 raised to power minus 3, right? And for pH, this is coming out to be 2, this is coming out to be 3. So more is the hydronium ion concentration, lesser is the pH. Both are inversely proportional to each other. So we can generalize this, that if hydrogen ion is same as hydronium ion. If hydrogen ion concentration is more, then lesser is the pH, or vice versa, right? Now let's draw this on a pH scale. Now pH scale always starts from 0 to 14. In between, in the center, we have 7. 7 represents a neutral solution. Now acidic character increases from 7 to 0. This side acidic character increases, and from 7 to 14, this side basic character increases. Now when you have from 0 to 2, this represents strongly acidic solution. If you have from 0 to 4, then it represents moderate, means moderately acidic. Then from 4 to 7 represents weak acid. Similarly, when you go from 7 to 10, this will be weakly basic. From 10 to 12, that is for moderate, means moderately basic. Obviously from 12 to 14, it will be a strong base. That is for strong base. right? Okay, so in our next class we will do some very basic questions on pH scale. Means if hydrogen ion concentration is given, how can you find out pH? Or vice versa. Means if pH is given, how can you find out hydrogen ion concentration?